Good morning. Today we are going to focus on the workshop. A title is Innovative to Impact Turning Idea into Intelligent Solutions, which emphasizes the critical transitions from theoretical innovations to practical implementation in engineering and technology. Effective innovation starts with identifying real world issues and crafting conceptual ideas into scalable solutions, necessitating a blend of theoretical understanding, technical proficiency, and system level thinking. The technical process initiates with problem definitions and system modeling, wherein engineers assess requirement, consistency, and performance. Parameter prior to designing solutions, tools like MATLAB, Simulink, Python, and embedded platforms such as microcontroller are essential for simulating and validating these ideas. Before actual implementation, for instance, a concept related to energy efficiency can evolve into an intelligent solution through in the integration of sensors, control algorithms, and optimization techniques. Modern intelligent solutions extensively utilize advanced technology, which includes AI, ML, and IoT and data analytics. These innovations empower systems to learn the data, make autonomous decisions, and operate independently. An example includes smart grid systems where AI control enhance the power distribution, minimize losses, and boost reliability, while intelligence control systems in electric vehicle improve performance and energy management. Prototyping and testing are also pivotal as engineers turning simulation into tangible hardware using platforms like Arduino, uh,